You don't know. Me and my niggas in this bitch and we run through shit like a motherfucking rally race. Pass me the bitch and I'ma run into the fucking race. Some shit like that, I can't rap, nigga. Let's put my niggas on the train, niggas on the fan, the game, know how we get, niggas on the game.
Sing that shit.
Like that.
Sing that shit.
My nigga want me to sing, wanna get from these hoes, but the beat cut so fucking. Yeah, I got
Hey, if the beat stop, you keep going. Don't have no reason to stop, cause when you sing, you sound good, my nigga. Push that shit. You come from the heart when you speak.
I'm looking for a full beat from dog.
Y'all act like the camera not even there. This just for our personal use. Ain't nobody gonna ever see this.
Everything look we do when I'm in the movies, tripping like they ain't even asking. This bitch got a hand on my hands, I ain't even fucking grabbing. Goddamn, get that.
Cow.
We made me trip. Five lights and I'm high lights. Every night it's posted like plus on plus, that's 5 times 5 times 5, that's 25. I'm too high and I'm turned up. These dudes, man, they got me tripping. I'm feeling like I might one up. Your bitch missing, she probably tripping with me. In the tropical sea. Got girls like with me, oh man with me, white girls with me, cause they like that white girl simply. I just do this, mixing bitches with pleasure. Bitches is what you wanna do, eat pleasure. Don't overdose, I ain't got nothing to use your nose in the cold. And life's so cold, you can grab a coat if you want to cold. Don't get it, I'm a closet, I'm a chef. Don't get it, I'm a closet, I ain't got no more. Goddamn. What it is. That's what it is.
From the heart, Quincy, you can say anything you already know. Just sing anything from it, my nigga. You open up, Quincy. My nigga, that boy talented. Y'all check this out.
You want some classic shit? Well, I'ma have to put it on the track and just run it back like that, nigga. Rewind the tape and try to reverb the lyrics. My niggas in this bitch and we gon' reverb your lyrics. Wanna sing for, I'll do it all day. Till we get up in the house, knock out, and sit on the way. No, we ain't fucking around with these niggas.
That's you.
We ain't playing games.
This all you.
We tryna get this money, my niggas. They niggas out of believers and these hoes.
We don't play games.
This a rap.
We don't play games with hoes. We just fuck them and flip them and then say next one I suppose. Like, yeah, bitch, sorry, I just chose another friend. Feeling like you ain't my friends. What are feelings when they in everything around and round in circles we cannot start. Goddamn, everything is feeling like it's coming from the heart. But we so fucking confused. All of these drugs that we do, I'm abusive and you can't choose. Do I want